Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Zenstar Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you value education of class 5. So today we are going to start chapter number 4, which is having a hobby. It starts from page number 21. Okay, so open your book. Chapter name is having a hobby. What that means? We must have a hobby because hobby really help us to improve ourselves. It makes us creative as well. It gives us some time for ourselves. Yes, because nowadays people are so busy in their routine, like students are busy in their study, in their sports. Yes, and elder person at your home, you can say that your mother is so much busy in your housework. Your father is busy in his business or whatever he does. He is busy in that thing. So in our busy life, we all must have a hobby because hobby gives some time for ourselves. It gives some space to us. You can say yes. So let's start what this chapter has. A hobby is something you do because it makes you happy. You don't do it to score marks or win prizes. You simply do it because you enjoy doing it. We all do some kind of activities or something which makes us happy. Yes, there must be something which makes you happy. Like some of you like to dance. Some of you like to sing, some of you like to play some kind of sport or games. Yes, or like some of you like to do paintings. Some of you like to make different crafts. Some of you like cooking. Yes. So these likes, what we love to do, this thing is called our hobby, which we all must have. At least one hobby we all must have. Yes. So in this way you can make happy yourself and you can have some time for yourself. Yes? Okay. Sanya, Vikram, Alia, Kavi, Ravi, Mary and Abdul are a group of close friends. Okay, so there is a group of close friends where Sanya, Vikram, Alia, Ravi, Mary and Abdul. Okay. They love spending time with each other. They love to spend time with each other. They do many things together. They chat, they play, and even study together sometimes. Okay, they love to do things together. So they do chat, they play together. They do study together. However, they are not always together. They also like doing things on their own since they have different hobbies. Okay, it's really hard to be with your friends every time. Like it's not possible because they have a home, they have family as well, and they have lots of work as well. So it is not possible to be with them all the time. So when they are alone, when these friends, okay, when they are not together, they do different things because they have different hobbies. Yes, it is possible that a group of friends they all can have different hobbies. Yes, it is not necessary that a group of friends have same hobby. Each of them has same hobby. It is not possible. They always find the time to do what they are interested in and enjoy doing it. So what they do, they used to find some time for themselves to do what they are interested in, and they enjoy to do that work. Sanya goes for tennis coaching with her brother. They are training for a mixed doubles tournament. Okay. Sanya's hobby was to play tennis. So she is taking coaching for tennis with her brother, and she and her brother, they both are practicing, or you can say taking training for mixed doubles tournament. Okay. Vikram writes poems and stories whenever he is alone. He thinks of ideas for his next piece of writing. So one of them is Vikram. Vikram loves to write poems and story. Whenever he gets time, he used to write his next piece of writing, whatever he is thinking to write next. Okay. Each of them has a passion. What is the meaning of passion? When you have, some kind of strong or powerful emotion to do something. Okay, when you do something and that thing makes you happy. That is your passion. Sometimes what happens? Like my hobbies are cooking. I love to cook. Yes, I love to dance as well. So these are my hobbies. These things, whenever I do these things, these things make me happy. So like this, there must be something which you love to do. Yes, and that thing makes you happy. So that is called your passion. That is called your hobby. A passion is something you love doing a lot and are very interested in. Okay. Arya's passion is acting and dancing. She loves being on stage. Okay, so it is saying that passion is a thing which makes you happy and you love to do it more and more. It makes you greedy to do more, and you must be interested in that thing so much. Arya's passion is what? What is Arya's hobby and passion? Dance. She loves to be on stage. She loves to perform on the stage. Yes. Ravi's passion is music. That's when Ravi loves to play music or listen to music. He takes sitar. Sitar is a kind of music instrument. It's a kind of music instrument. Lessons from his Guruji twice a week and practices for half an hour every day on his own. Okay. So Ravi's passion is music. He loves to play sitar. He is taking training into it, and he takes class from his Guruji twice a week, and he practices daily half an hour for his own. Okay, on his own. Mary's hobby is to play different sports, but her favorite is boxing. She is strong and fast. She even boxes against boys her age. Okay. So what is Mary's hobby? Mary's hobby is to play different sports, but her favorite sport is boxing. Okay, and she loves boxing against the boys of her age. Okay, she is strong, she is fast. For that she is very good in boxing. Okay, next is Abdul is a quiet lad. He spent hours making different models and things with his hands. He dreams of going into space. Quiet lad means some of the students are they used to live very quiet and they used to live in themselves only. Okay, they don't like to talk much. They don't like to social with other friends and people. So he was one of his that time. He used to spend he uses to spend all his time, most of his time, to make different models of science, and things by his hand. And his dream, he has a dream to go to space. Okay, to go into space. When they meet, the six friends discuss their hobbies and share their experiences. They like to hear about each other's hobbies and interests. Okay, whenever they meet together, they love to talk about each other's hobbies, whatever they have done in that time, when they were not together, what they have done, they used to discuss it, and they shared their experience as well. On Saturday, they will be going to cheer Sanya and her brother at their match. Okay, next Saturday Sanya and her brother is having a match of tennis that I have told you. They were taking the training for mixed doubles tournament. Okay, so they all are going to cheer them. Vikram is writing a new poem about India. Alia is going to read the poem at the school assembly. Ravi and his Guruji are going to compose some music to be played in the background while the poem is being read. Okay, so what Vikram is doing? Vikram is writing a poem about India and its culture, and Alia is going to read that poem during the assembly. And Ravi and his Guruji are composing a music which will be played in the background while Alia will read the poem. Okay. Next Sunday, all of them will be cheering for Mary at her bout in the inter-school boxing championship. Next Sunday, Mary has a boxing match, in inter-school boxing championship, and they all are planning to cheer her as well. After the bout, they will all be going to Abdul's house to see his latest aircraft model. And after that, now what they will do after the bout? They will go to Abdul's house to see his new aircraft model which he has made recently. And after that, what they will do? Yes, you guessed right. Abdul's mother has asked them to stay for lunch. Abdul's mother will make will cook the lunch for them, and she had asked them to stay for lunch. She will be cooking chicken biryani for the non-vegetarian and veg biryani for the vegetarian. Yummy. Yes. So what she is doing? She was cooking chicken biryani for the non-vegetarians and veg biryani for the vegetarians. Yes. So what is the moral of this whole story, you can say? It's all about that having a hobby. We all must have a hobby. Hobbies take out our everyday experience and give us a chance to do something new. Do something new we love and we are passionate about. It also affords you the opportunity to learn new skills in your work. Yes. Hobbies force you to take some time for yourself as well. Hobbies keep you in better physical health. Hobbies can boost your career as well. It improves creativity. You can grow spiritually. Spiritually means by your soul, and it makes you creative. You will start creating things if you have a hobby. Okay, so I hope you all must have a hobby. Okay, now turn the page and please come to page number 22. Here we have one exercise. Let's understand. Circle the correct word. We have given 5 sentences, and in front of them we have two words options, and we have to circle the correct one. Number 1 is, what is Ravi interested in? Ravi is interested in music. Circle it. Number 2 is, who enjoys playing a racket game? Sanya or Mary? Mary loves boxing. So who was that person who enjoys playing a racket game? Sanya. Okay. Number 3, whose passion is dancing and acting? It is Alia's passion. Okay. Circle Alia. Who likes being in a boxing ring? Abdul or Maria? Abdul was a lad boy. We have learned about it. That's mean Mary is the right answer. Yes. Number 5. Who do you think likes science the most? Vikram or Abdul? Obviously it was Abdul who loves science. Sorry. Okay, now come to page number 20 through 23. Here you have an exercise. Let's think, let's decide. Okay, what do you do? Tick one of the two options. Okay, here we have some options. Where we have to tick one of them. Number one is, do you have a hobby that is the same or almost the same as any of the characters person in the passage? The passage we have learned, the passage we have read, just according to characters of that passage, what we have to do, we have to select one character's hobby, if we have that. Sanya loves to play tennis. If you love sport, then take in front of that box. Vikram loves to write. If you love writing, then please take in front of Vikram. If you love boxing or to fight, then you have to boxing. Then you must take in front of Mary. Abdul likes science experiments. He loves to make models. So if you like it too, then please take in front of Abdul. Alia loves dancing and acting. So if you like these two, then please tick in front of that. Ravi loves music. If you love music as well, then please tick in front of it. If you don't have any of these hobbies, if you have something different, then please mention it in there in line where dots you have, and then tick in front of that line. Okay. Number two, what do you like doing the most in your spare time? Spare time when you don't have when you don't have any work, when you are free. What do you like to do? Sleeping, watching television, doing what interests me. That's mean you love to spend time with your hobby. Surfing the internet, playing outdoors with my friends, being alone, chatting on the phone, or texting. Okay, whatever you like, please stick in front of it. Okay, now come to number three. If you and a friend have two different hobbies, would you? That means if you and your friend, you both have two different hobbies. So what do? Try out each other's hobbies and spend time together. You keep your hobby a secret. Try to get your friend to give up her hobby and get interested in yours. Have separate hobbies and be happy for each other. Find a new hobby which you can both enjoy together. The first option is very appropriate, which you can take. Try out each other's hobbies. हमें एक दूसरे की hobbies को experience करना चाहिए, try करना चाहिए, ताकि हम साथ में time spend कर सकें. Okay. Now come to number 4, which is it's saying, with regard to hobbies, you feel you should have only one throughout your life. You should have many and find time for each of them by studying them, which is not a good option. Like trying out new ones every week. This will make you confused. What you like, it will make you confused. And last is like stopping all of them and only studying. It will make your life boring. So the first option is more appropriate. You should have only one throughout your life. It will help you to grow, spiritually, and it will give you boost to your career as well. If you will, have one throughout your life. That doesn't mean that you should not try another one. You should try, but we can't do everything perfectly. There must be something which you can do perfectly. Better than others. Now come to the next page, on page number 24. Search for these words in this word mail. We have some words given in a box: chess, art, sky, swim, poetry, music, fishing, books, guitar, paint, and hiking. What we have to do, we have to find out these words from the given puzzle box. okay, from this puzzle box. You can do it yourself. It is very easy to find out these words, and I will send you the picture of answers as well in the group, okay. So this is it for today. I hope you will like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.